Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Summertime Saga latest version. Right, so just go to Google, right here Summertime Saga, right, and here you will get this official website of Summertime Saga from where you can just download. Click on this first link. Now here you will get this option of download game. Click on it once again. Now here you will get this two versions, stable version and preview version. So as you can see here, to experience the most content that Summertime Saga has to offer, check out stable version. To experience updated HD version and optimized engine, try the latest preview build. So I will just go for the stable version, and it is already the latest. So only the latest version will be shown here. So just click on download. Now here you have to select your operating system. So mine is Windows. If you have Apple or Linux, you can select. If you're using an Android phone, you can also go for here. Then I will click on Mega. I will get redirected to this official page of Mega. Once I click on download, automatically it will get start downloading. It's around the size is 1.11 GB, and after that you can install it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.